Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Sellvia Amazon dropshipping for beginners. So, here, the Amazon dropshipping sounds complicated, but what if I tell you that there's a tool that does most of the hard work for you? So, yeah, in this video, you will know how to use the Sellvia for the Amazon dropshipping, even if you're a complete beginner. So no warehouse, no inventory, and no upfront product buying. Okay, so Sellvia is a dropshipping platform that gives you access to fast shipping products, mostly from the US. So unlike the typical suppliers that take weeks to deliver, Sellvia products ship in just a few days, perfect for the Amazon standards. So, the Sellvia helps you find winning products, automate the order fulfillment, and scale your dropshipping business faster. Okay, so here's how the Amazon dropshipping works in simple terms. You list products on the Amazon, so when a customer buys from you, so you order that product from Sellvia, so Sellvia ships it directly to your customers. So first, we are already on the Sellvia website. So just open any of your web browser, and then you just have to search for Sellvia. That's right. And then you have this first website. So you just have to simply tap on this one. Okay, and then after that, you just have to tap on the login option if you already have an account. But if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to tap on the start for free option. That's right. Okay, and then tap on the get all for free, and then you just have to provide your information so that you'd be able to create your free account. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have fully functional online store, 1 to 3 days order processing, and unlimited product imports. So after you create your account, so you'd be able to access your free trial. Okay, so once logged in, you'll see the dashboard where you can browse products, check the prices, and manage the orders. So Sellvia also integrates well with e-commerce platforms, which makes fulfillment much easier. Okay, so here you can find the products. Okay, so you have here the label. So you have new. This one are the recommended products for you. The recommended one. Okay, so you have here many products. Now, let's talk about the product research. So this part is a little bit crucial. So inside the Sellvia, you can browse trending products. Okay, so let's go to the product section. Okay, so here is the product section. So we have digital products, popular brands, printed products, and your products. So you can browse trending products, bestsellers, and high demand items. So when choosing a product, you have to look for fast shipping, good reviews, and lightweight and non-fragile items. So you have to avoid the branded products to prevent Amazon policy issues. Okay, so for example, we would like to see the details of this product. So all you have to do is to tap on this one. Okay, and as you can see, 1000 winter fashion icons, so hottest items in your new collection, huge sales potential for your store. So if you want to add this one, as you can see, we have here the amount of this product. So tap on the add product option. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so here on the checked out section, you'd be able to see here the amount that you are going to pay. Okay, so here is the total amount that you need to pay so that you'd be able to get this product. Okay, so again, you have to avoid branded products to prevent the Amazon policy issues. Next one is listing your product on the Amazon. So you will need an Amazon seller account. So when creating your listing, you can write a clear product title, use high quality images, and then set your price higher than the Sellvia's cost to include profit and the Amazon fees. Okay, so let me just close this one, and then make sure that your description is accurate to avoid returns. Okay, next for the Let's go to our order section. So here, under the orders, you'd be able to see here all of your orders. Okay, so if you already have an order, so you'd be able to see that right here. And when you go to the order processing section, okay, you can also run your business on autopilot. So with the Sellvia's order processing service, all orders are processed automatically and delivered fast without you lifting a finger. So you can keep your order processing credit balance full and enjoy the hands-free sales. So here, automatic order processing, super fast delivery, zero effort on your part, and 100% customer satisfaction. Next is the marketplace. Okay, so the section, as you can see, we have the buy option right here. So if you want to see the listings, for example, this one, to tap on the view listings, that's right. Okay, so here you can try this proven business for free. Okay, so as you can see, we can see here the details of this listing. Okay, and then if you would like to buy this one for your store, then you just have to tap on the buy now option. Now if you want to run your reports, okay, so you'd be able to see your reports right here. Okay, so for the total, we have 175.87 dollars, 13 orders in total. So you have here the unique visitors, total orders, average order value, and the conversion rate. So you'd be able to see all of the details right here. And as you can see at the top, you have here current balance. So you have to fulfill your orders. Now, if you want to add your products, again, you just have to go here. For example, you would like to add digital products. So you'd be able to see here the different products that we can add. Okay, so again, if you want to buy that product, you can see here the amount that you need to pay and then tap on the add products. And when you go to the popular brands, okay, so as you can see, it's a little bit pricey compared to the rest of the categories that we've been through. And for the printed products right here, okay, so yeah, it's a little bit pricey as well. And when you go to your product section, you'll be able to see that right here. Okay, so we have here the amount of products that we have and then the product prices. So again, when you go to the marketing, so you can also go to your social and you can promote all of your products. So the Sellvia makes the Amazon dropshipping easier, especially for beginners who want fast shipping and less risk. So if you're willing to learn and stay consistent, this can be a solid online business. And yeah, again, if this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.